run a business called Truffle Lodge, which is a spa with luxury accommodation. When the flood came in as fast as it did on Friday, I remained at Truffle Lodge until 11 o'clock on Saturday morning. Lost power, and then it realised it was sensible that I had to leave. But the news in the last 40 minutes or so that my insurance company have excluded flood from my policy.
Right. That wasn't what you expected.
No.
No.
So I feel really selfish in saying this, and I hope that other people in this village aren't in this boat. But I've lost my home and my business and my livelihood that I've worked so hard